cat peeking in my window. You should let some more skin show. And if one of these websites get the info, we could work it out, no Nintendo. I just hit alt tab, switching in between two convos. I should just call cabs.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. Today, as you can tell from the title, we are going to be trying these passion twists. Pretty much I was online on YouTube and I found this girl, Loveth Speaks, I think is the way that she pronounces her name. A couple weeks ago, she came out with a hack to get passion twists out of Kanekalon braiding hair, which is unheard of. So if you've ever been interested in doing passion twists, or if you've ever done passion twists before, you know exactly how expensive those packs of hair are. They can run from $4.99 up to about $15.99 to about $25.99. Sometimes you need 4, 5, 6, 7, however many packs. And if you're not a DIYer like myself, you have to then pay someone to put it in your hair. It's a crime. So when she came out with this hack, I already thought it was super dope. And I thought, let's go ahead and try it. So that is exactly what I did. I went ahead and purchased everything that she said to purchase, pretty much just the Kanekalon hair. I got expression hair, a bag of straws, bobby pins. You're gonna need hot water and a bowl. Little bit of patience as well. It did take a while, but I do see this being something that you could probably do in one day. So pretty much gonna show you a demo exactly how I made these little things here. So these are my extras, and they're already wrapped and dipped and dried. So as you can see from the demo, it's pretty self-explanatory. You pretty much just wrap the hair around the straw, you pin it at the end, and then the bottom does this really nice little loop right here. If you've stretched the hair, this should work perfectly. If you do not stretch the hair, your ends will be a little bit more blunt, and you're probably gonna need a bobby pin to secure the bottom. But this is pretty much how they came out. They were pretty easy, if I do say so myself. I used 2 packs of expression hair. I did start off with the 1 and then soon found out that that was not gonna be enough. So I went ahead and used a little bit more hair in the twist than I would say she did in her video, but it all still came out really nice. So to take them out, as you can see in the demo, really easy. You just pull them down. And then what I like, is particularly for mine, because hers did not necessarily do this, is at the bottom I have this really cool spiral curl, really thick curl. Even after you separate it, it still keeps that curl at the bottom. So what that did was it helped my hair to pretty much, let's do this without ruining it. It helped the bottom pretty much give more of that passion twist look at the tips. Because if you look closely, the front of my hair is technically just a 2-hand twist, which people have been doing with Marley hair for forever, or even with your regular hair. Mini twists are a big thing right now. So they're pretty much just twists at the top. So what I do like about the technique that I use is the bottom does look very full, very passion twist, and at the top it is very secure, if I do say so myself. Pretty much what I did is not do the rubber band method. It's been a full week. Well, not a full week, I'm gonna say 5 days. And instead of doing the rubber band method, I decided to just attach it straight to my hair. I'm not one for tension, I'm not one for rubber bands. I get headaches, etc. So I can show you an example. So we're gonna use the new twist. And all I did was, let's zoom in here, separated this piece. We're gonna do this piece right here. Now, when I originally did it, I did use instead of using a pomade or a gel, I actually just went ahead and used this melanin hair care with a little bit of Gorilla Glue. And I mixed those together. Started off on blow dried hair so that my hair was not super curly and poking out. As long as you get a really nice base down here, then you're good. Separate it into 2 sections. And I take my hair. I used 2, so I took 1 and 1, and I meshed them together, and it came out with this. And the amount you use is going to be dependent on how big you want your twist. And so pretty much you want to take one side on this side, one side on this side, and they're separated with your hair. You can see that. You want to get as close to the scalp as you can. And all you want to do is with one hand, hold this out of your way, and you want to twist. Twist the weave and your hair together until it is tight to your scalp, like so. You see how this piece is tight and these 2 pieces are free? Then you want to take this side, hold this with your hand, take this side and do the exact same thing, rolling in the opposite direction. Wrap it over, and then do the same thing for this side. Twist, twist, twist. So it is now close to your scalp. And then you take the 2 twists and just continue to twist all the way down. As you can see, mine is not tight at all. I love my edges. Team keep your edges. So I enjoy the loose look, and I'm probably not going to keep this long. So this is perfect for me. As long as all your hair tucks in, you don't have to do anything extra to keep the ends in. Again, this is not a passion twist tutorial, so it's not super in-depth. I just wanted to show you how I installed mine so that you can see why I have more of a natural look at the top than I do the box braid look or the triangle look or the rubber band method, or however the crochet method, however everybody else is doing it. So then I end up with this twist here, and then at the bottom, like I said, it has a nice little curl to it. They all kind of curl differently, so it makes it look a little bit more unique and a little bit more natural. So all in all, did this hack work? We're gonna say hell yes, it did. The packs of expression here, she said she got hers for $2.90. I'm not exactly sure where sis lives, but out here in LA, they were $4.99, which is fine. I only needed 2 packs. The straws were like $1. I got the straws with the little flip top, like an icy, just because I did bobby pin mine going up and down versus I believe she folded hers in half and then bobby pinned it this way. But I didn't want really any indents, which probably didn't matter once you're twisting it up, but that's just the way that I did mine. Bobby pins, I already had a million of those laying around, so I didn't have to buy those. So it was really cheap. I mean, the hair came out really nice. You tell me if it don't look good, let me know, because I feel like I'm looking good right now. So I mean, I really like them all in all. Like I said, I used 2, maybe full packs. I only have these 2 left. I was putting, I think, 2 of my twists together, maybe sometimes 3, depending on how small they were. And this is what we came out with. So I'm going to leave all the information for her video down in my description box if you want a more detailed tutorial on exactly how to do this. She does a really good job of breaking down exactly what she did, if my demo isn't enough for you. So I just want to say thank you to Loveth Speaks for sharing this super dope hack with everybody. There you have it. I am living proof that this passion twist hack does work. Tighten up. Where they go? Follow me.